Hi there, hope you are fine. In this session, we are going to discuss about Google Cloud for startups. Go to Google, type Google Cloud for startups. Firstly, we will discuss about is Google Cloud good for startup? People mostly ask these questions. Okay, why build up Google startup on Google Cloud? Startups are significant saving when building on or migrating to Google Cloud. In addition to the bottom line, our secure and reliable platform reduce risk and increase operational efficiency. Secondly, most of the people ask question which cloud is better for startups. AWS. The overall best fit for startup is controlling around 32% of the market. AWS is Amazon cloud storage is the most mature cloud service solution on the market today. While it may not have access to Google analytical tools or Azure's specialized focus on hybrid computing, AWS Excel is flexible. Okay, most of the people also ask who is eligible for Google Cloud credits. The Google Cloud Teaching and Learning Credit Program provides Google Cloud credit to faculty and students at higher education institution in the United States. Eligibility requirement: your higher education institution must be regionally accredited degree granting for not for profit. Now discuss about use on a pay as you go basic dependent by design pricing calculator. Create free account Google Cloud solution by Google Cloud platform. Click on this. Okay, most of the people ask is AWS or Google Cloud better for startups? AWS has been around longer and has a more extensive portfolio of service including compute storage, database analytics, machine learning and more. On the other hand, Google Cloud is known for its strength in data analytics and machine learning, as well as its developers friendly tools and services. Then which cloud is better, AWS or Google? CGP and AWS both offer a variety of features for computing services, but AWS provides more raw computer power than GCP, which focuses on managing services. AWS is therefore a better option for developers who need more control over their computing environment. Moving further, which cloud is most in demand? Amazon Web Service, AWS, Amazon Web Service, Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud Platform are the highly demand in nowadays. Which cloud has the highest demand? Concluding to this, Amazon Web Series Services is leading the public cloud market and it's continue to grow. At the same time, Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud Platform are also processing to gain market share. Many companies which have already finished moving to the cloud are now considering a multiple platform approach. People mostly ask which cloud is best in the future, multi-cloud or hybrid. The most likely scenario is that multi-cloud will become the norm. Business will increasingly use multiple public and private clouds to meet their specific needs. However, the hybrid cloud is not going away anytime soon. Is Google Cloud Platform easy to learn? Yes, if you have some knowledge about cloud computing and you have used AWS before, then learning Google Platform is not difficult for you, and this course make it easier. Experience are going multi-cloud. It is not sufficient to know just one cloud anymore. You would need to understand multiple clouds. If you are interested, is Google Cloud Platform is a good career. If you are interested in career in cloud computing, GCP is a great place to start. Some of the career opportunities that are available are cloud engineering, data scientist, machine learning engineering, sales engineering, software engineering, and customer engineering. Does GCP need coding? No, Google Cloud does not require coding. However, there are some features that may require some basic coding knowledge. For example, if you want to use the App Engine, you will need to know how to code in at least one of the supported languages. Most of the people ask what is the salary of GCP engineer. GCP data engineer salary in India range between 4 lakh to 18.9 lakh with an average annual salary of 6.5 lakh. In USA it is about startup is about $5,000. Which all companies used? Okay, here is a list of the companies that use Google Cloud Platform: Facebook, Intel, Yahoo, Meriton International. And here is a number of list who use Google Cloud Platform. You can see that. I hope that you understand about Google Cloud for startups. It is best and easy way for your business, for your startup to use Google Clouds. Thanks for watching.